Hello everyone. So after so long, I'm back with my another book review. Of course, it is a chemistry class 11 Pradeep Biology reference book. This is volume 1 and this is volume 2. It has 7 chapters. Volume 1 has contains 7 chapters and the remaining chapters are there in volume 2. So let's see what's there in the book. This is a periodic table which we'll be getting in the first or second page. And this is basically the first chapter, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. And some explanation about importance and scope of chemistry. I think this is given in so detail it will just improve your knowledge can never be harm, right? And there comes then matter, and you can see how nicely it is given, with when given in a box, and the definitions are given plus examples, right? And then elements, it's all just given how it is related with it. And then there is a names and formula of chemical compounds in a separate table, which is amazing, I think. And there is a difference in a particular section of a box. um and the main good thing is that every after every single topic there is multiple questions for you to practice, like small curiosity questions are there for you, which may come in your competitive exams or school exams. Okay, so this is the thing which I was talking about, that there is always, after completing a single topic, there is a numericals and plus questions related to it. And for difficult question, hints are there, right? And so this is all. You can see after every topic, I think every topic there is a samples problems for your practice, right? uh, this is what it is there in the book. I think it's an amazing class 11 reference book, side book. You must go for it. And after that, I think chapter 1 ends. There is a brief summary of the chapter is here. It is review at a glance. I like this review at glance, revision at glance. Brief things, briefly explained. If you can't learn all those, even if you will just go through it, I think it would be a great advantage for you. And then comes objective type questions. Okay, then true false, match the followings, which will just enhance your revision of the chapter, and a certain region type question which usually comes in your exams. And then there is a hint for difficult questions. Conceptual question, I think, is the, like you can see, after every a single topic contain a different question, which conceptual question. You can see like how nicely it is given, like really. After every single topic there is a example, or there is a question related to it. Okay, you can see it's just amazing. And after that, the way it comes in your exam, a single passage is given, and then questions are there based on it. Short answers questions are also there. And then NCERT exercises comes. All the NCERT solve exercises are there. Okay, then it is not the end of the chapter. Then NCERT exemplar questions are also there. I think it's just amazing. I think no book contains exemplar, at least, right? It's just amazing that it is has given everything in just one complete book. And then comes competition focus, which is related to NEET and JEE Advanced, JEE Special. Okay, so there are questions which will come in your competitive exam. I think it's just amazing. And then comprehension, multiple choice questions. assertion, region, which usually comes in competitive exam. So I think the chapter has still not ended. Multiple questions are there. If you, I think if you just go through just these things, I think it will just improve your knowledge about the chapter and just make your base very strong, I think. So this was all about Pradeep chemistry. I think knowledge can never be harm, right? Things are given in detail, but I think it will be helpful just for making your base very strong. And plus multiple questions are there which will just make you very um, make you very good at um, solving questions. I think you can solve easily if you go through these questions, because these three questions are amazing question type of questions. It will just improve your knowledge. So I think I think you should just go for this book if you're thinking to buy a class 11 reference book for chemistry. I think you should go for it because everything is there in this book. You don't need to, I think, even study extra things because everything is there in this book. It is also for NEET and JEE, and also for class 11 class 11 school exams. So I think you should go for this book, and this is amazing. I think this is volume 2. Let me show you guys the volume 2 also. It has, I think, it has chapters still environmental chemistry. So I think you should go for this book. This is an amazing piece, I think, because it contains competitive questions plus NCERT exemplar plus NCERT questions plus topic wise solutions plus solutions plus a chapter based solutions. I think no book can have this type of things. So I think it's an amazing book. Go for it. And if you guys want to purchase this book, I am provided link in description box. You can just go and purchase it if you want it. And if you guys wanted to know how the book is and how the chapters are, so for that I am just uploading 3 chapters PDF. You can just go through it how the book is, and you should purchase it or not. So you will be we will be providing you the link in the description box. You can just go and see from there. So thank you, and wait for my next video because I'm back after so long. So thank you everyone.